Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back on another advent calendar unboxing tutorial. So today is day 3 and day 3 is this beautiful lip colour. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Starstruck. It's this gorgeous red creamy velvety matte lip and I love it. To go with this lipstick I decided to do like a classic Christmassy look. So I think when I think Christmas makeup, it's like a bronzy, golden, really warm toned smoky eye and a red lip. So that is exactly what I did today. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, obviously make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you would like to see how to recreate this look, then carry on watching. Also, don't forget that yesterday my EROSEGLITZ collection did go live, so you can go and purchase any of my EROSEGLITZ collection on the website. I will link it down below. Also, I'd like to apologise in advance if I'm not as lively in this video as usual. I am shattered. I'm not gonna lie, I am exhausted. So that's just that. So I'm not as upbeat or lively in this video. However, I do create this really nice, you know, festive glam look. So I hope you enjoy it. So as you can see, I've gone for something quite basic, quite bronzy, kind of just like what you'd think of when you think kind of like Christmassy glam makeup, because the red is, you know, obviously very Christmassy, so I thought I'd do like a Christmas glam look. So I'm going to zoom you into this eye and we can do it on this eye. So I've already primed my eyelid with Urban Decay Eden Primer Potion, and as you can see I've done my brows, but yeah, this is the kind of look we're going for, kind of just classic smoky. So I'm going to start with this palette, which is a whole load of neutral transition colours, and it's quite honestly amazing. So I'm going to go in with this shade here called Daniel, and I'm going to take this on a really small brush. This is the Essential Crease brush. I'm just going to place this through my crease. Then going into this like orangey shade called Mace on a stiffer brush. I'm going to go like half on the brown and half off of the brown. I'm just going to stamp it to begin with. Just like that. And then I'm going to start blending the edges. Sorry if I'm kind of quiet in this video, it's quite late and I'm exhausted, so I'm not very like active. I'm then going to take a fluffier brush and take the shade Max, which is this colour. It's kind of lighter, more orangey toned, and I'm just going to go over the edges of that colour. In my 35F, I'm going to take the black shade on this kind of brush. I'm just going to start stamping this onto my outer edge. Then take a clean blending brush and just buff the edges of that into the brown. Like this, super duper lightly. And make sure the brush is clean as well. Okay, then on a stiff brush, I'm going to take this bronzy kind of colour on my inner portion of my eye. I'm not going to do a cut crease because I want it to be kind of just like glam and smoky. I'm going to kind of put it in the place where a cut crease would go, but it's not going to be that harsh. And then I'm just going to take this clean brush again and just blend over the edge where the black meets that colour. Okay, so I'm now going to take this glitter. It's a gorgeous like bronzy orangey kind of colour. This is Jaffa Cake from Becca lashes. I'm just going to work this into the back of my hand with my finger and then press it on top of that bronze colour, and then just take some of the glitter and press it on top. So for lashes I have two pairs that I'm deciding between. There's either these by Becca lashes, which are absolutely massive, you can see that, and these are called Ethereal, so they are full all the way around and they are just dramatic. Or there's these ones from Tatti lashes, which are TL23. Okay, so as you can tell, I changed my mind and I went for the Tatti lashes, just because the other ones literally covered up my entire eyeballs. Okay, so now I've done on my face, as you just saw in that little time lapse, I will have all the listed products down below. I'm going to go in with the brown shade, this one here, called Daniel, on a Zoeva brow line brush. And I'm just going to take this really close along my lower lashes. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking, my mum has just gone out to get my sister. So she's having some separation issues. And then I'm actually going to go back in with this brush that we used for the brown in the crease. And I'm going to take that orangey colour Mace again, this one here. And I'm just going to use this to buff out the lower lash line. And obviously you can do this look with any colour lip, but I just thought this is like a classic Christmassy look. When I think Christmassy makeup, I think like a really nice bronzy eye with a red lip. So I did mean to film this, but I'm putting on the lipstick. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Starstruck. I really like this formula. It's like a velvety matte liquid lip. It doesn't like dry down fully, but it's kind of, it still looks matte. So yeah, this is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Again, I'm sorry I've not been so like upbeat and everything in this video. I'm exhausted. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video tomorrow.